Now that our draft is ready, it's time to make it clear for the team. This isn't just about sharing the file. It's how we check understanding, validate our ideas, and catch any gaps. In this video, we'll add context, explore the right feedback tools, and share it with a clear call to action. Before we hit share, let's make sure our document gives teammates the context they need, without us having to explain it. I'll start by inserting a few key details: the document name, when it was last modified, and who it was modified by. Then I'll add text before each, so it's clear what the information is. Once that's done, I'll arrange everything neatly, select it all, and right-click to group it. Now I can move it together and place it wherever I need. I recommend keeping it close to where the diagram starts so your team can easily see if it's up to date. Next, let's make the diagram easier for teammates to read by adding a diagram key. In the Basics course, we provided one for you, but this time, I'll show you how to create your own. I'll insert a key from the Insert menu and customize it to match the shapes we're using. To add a shape, just drag it from the canvas into the diagram key. Then we can double-click any text field to add extra content, or click and drag the handles to rearrange the order. The more tailored the key, the faster someone new can understand the diagram without needing extra explanation. It creates a shared visual language that stays consistent as the document evolves, and helps feedback focus on devices and relationships instead of trying to figure out the diagram itself. With your diagram detailed and clear, it's time to make sure reviewers focus on what matters most. Not all feedback is the same. Some notes are temporary, some need discussion, and some should stick with a shape permanently. Choosing the right tool keeps the diagram organized and helps the team respond efficiently. Sticky notes are perfect for quick, visible feedback that doesn't need to last. Things like brainstorming or high-level questions. For more structured input, you can use a sticky note bank. Drag a few of them onto the canvas. Rename them for the type of feedback you want. And then color code them to make topics easy to spot. Comments are ideal for discussions on specific shapes that need a response or resolution. Think of them as threaded conversations. As a pro tip, you can hit the C key to leave a comment quickly. Notes hold permanent information that should stay attached, like extra context, requirements, or specifications. Right-click a shape, select Add Notes, type in what you need to be kept. Video messages are perfect if something needs more context than a comment or a note can capture. Use them to explain decisions, walk through your thought process, and provide clarity without a wall of text. And now that the diagram is clear and feedback tools are in place, it's time to share. How we share depends on who needs to see it. If it's just one person, I can type their name to send directly. If it's a small group or team, I can also add the group name here and share it with them too. Or if we want a link for Slack, email, or some other use case, we can create a shareable link. We'll just make sure permissions match what we're asking for: view only, comment, or edit, so reviewers can respond appropriately. As a pro tip, if you ever need a refresher on permissions, just click the drop-down to see a brief explanation of each one. Finally, let's bring it all together with a clear call to action. Don't just send the link, tell reviewers exactly what we need from them and when. A message like this transforms a passive share into an active collaboration and helps the team give focused, timely input. Finish the invitation and wrap up by changing the document status to pending review. By adding context, creating a diagram key, guiding reviewers, and sharing the diagram, you've turned your draft into something that's immediately understandable to your team. Next, we'll take that feedback and refine the diagram into a polished, living document. See you there!